Today is a very special day, Taco Tuesday, and I thought, why don't we combine the flavors of Morocco and Mexico, and the result is this beautiful taco.
Welcome to Ahimsa Kitchen.
And if you feel like you have had tacos a million times before and you're just kind of looking for this extra layer of awesomeness in your taco, stay tuned because I'm gonna show you a really cool way to eat a taco and just to add more texture, crunch and spice to it. First ingredient for our Moroccan tacos is cauliflower. So I'm also gonna show you how to take a cauliflower really nicely apart and not having a big mess of cauliflower crumbles in your kitchen. So you take the cauliflower and you turn it around. First we're going to remove all the leaves with a knife or with your hand, whatever is easier. They're quite sturdy, so I'm going to use a knife here. And once you have removed all the leaves, we just cut floret by floret off. And for the tacos, to easily be able to fill them, we're going to need smaller florets. So then I just take them apart with my hands. I cut off the little stems as well. So that leaves us with these nice beautiful florets, which we're now gonna marinate. I have this beautiful paprika powder I got in Morocco. So you can just dig in and marinate it with your hands, but luckily I have this lid, so I'm just gonna cover it and shake it around. And here is our marinated cauliflower. The leaves I'm not gonna throw away, I keep them in the freezer. Colleen is always doing really great videos on this topic, on zero waste, so I'm gonna keep it for later and gonna make a soup stock out of it. They look and smell amazing. For our Moroccan style tacos, of course, we need some homemade harissa. That's just a must in this recipe. And also I'm making a larger batch, so you will have it in the fridge and it's absolutely worth your time, I promise. So I use different types of peppers. I got these at the farm here in Ibiza and I will just roast them in the oven. And then I also have some dried peppers I found in the store, so I will hydrate them. And I have these small red chilies, which I know they're gonna be really spicy. We're toasting cumin and coriander seeds, and after they are cooled, I'm grinding them in the mortar and pestle. Wow, it smells so amazing already. I also spontaneously decide to roast the garlic with the red peppers. So I'm soaking the chilies and the peppers in hot water for about 10 minutes, and we're just gonna take the stems off and the seeds out, so you don't have to be super accurate here. Honestly, I don't mind if there are some seeds in there, but just kind of take the majority out. So it's time to throw it all in the food processor. So we have our 3 different types of pepper. We have our garlic. I'm gonna add some tomato paste. And while it's processing, I'm streaming in a good quality of olive oil. In the end, I'm also adding a little bit of salt and lemon juice. Oh, you guys, look at this paste. This looks absolutely great. Let's do a little taste test here. I'm a tiny little scared. It's gonna be really spicy. So just trying a tiny bit. It is very spicy, but it's actually exactly how I like it. Whew. So just getting some heat going here. Next is our Moroccan chickpea salad. I've made it before in this video, and if you love Moroccan food, definitely check that video out. These are our ingredients for the chickpea salad. So just some chickpeas, obviously, dates, carrots, lemon, our Moroccan spice, which you can also substitute, some mint, which is really important for this recipe, and I have some really nice olive oil which I got from our neighbor. They have a hotel there and it's from their own farm. So I begin with the carrots. First I'm gonna peel them, and then I'm cutting these beautiful carrot ribbons. So we're gonna put all ingredients together, the chickpeas, the carrots. I'm gonna keep some mint leaves for our garnish. Ah, smells like Morocco. Okay, you guys, all our components are ready and we are making a really beautiful taco plate now. Stay tuned also for the little surprise taco I'm gonna make in just a moment. And if you want more texture and spice, now a really cool part is coming. So we're gonna take our hard shell and we're gonna wrap the soft shell around. So we have like all this spice in there and like all this extra crunch. If you want to be really brave, you can add a little extra harissa on top. So the question now is, what am I gonna eat first? Well, this is already in my hand. It really cries, eat me now. Thank you so much guys for being here. I'm here every Tuesday at noon with another really creative recipe. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and I hope to see you soon.